Hello lovely people, welcome back to RBR Galleria. In this video we'll be learning about shades and dark tones. Okay, so for this I'm taking Artline 8B pencil. This is 8B pencil, so let us start shading. So for this I'm going to take just 5 boxes, not more than that. So let us draw the 5 boxes. I think let me zoom this. Yeah, now it is okay. Okay, so for this I'm just going to draw 5 boxes in this way. And we'll start shading. Okay, the very first one I'm going to give a dark shade and I'm giving in slanting line direction, which is 45 degrees. So here I'm applying a little bit pressure and making it dark. See that they're not forming any lines. Okay, while shading, see that you'll not have any lines and you just take the pencil upward, downward in this way and cover all the lines like this. Okay, so this is the simple dark tone I got. And now just cover this corners, giving some circular motions like this. Okay, so here we have again a little bit of dark tone and light tone in this corner. So see that you not get even that. So again let us go for the second shading and let me make this box a little bit thicker this way and let me start again shading. So I'm starting with the same pressure over here. I think you can see we are not forming any lines over here. We need to shade in that way. And see that the point, the pencil point is not blunt, is not pointed. It should be a little bit blunt so that you get this type of texture. And for this I'm using the paper, a very normal paper, ordinary paper, printer paper and the simple Artline pencil and this way. So I got, now you feel or we can see these both in same texture, in same tone, right? So now let us give the second layer. Whenever we want to give the darker shades, we need to work everything in layers, not that we are going to do everything in one single tone. So that is more important and very important. So the darker we want, the extra layers we need to add on this. So now you can see the variation, right? Difference. Now let us go for the third shade. Let me make this box a little bit clear this way. And now give the second layer with the same pressure. I'm going a little bit fast over here, but when practicing for the first time, be slow and be very careful in doing the shading. Now I'm giving third layer over here. I want this third box to be a little bit darker than this one. Even now I feel these both are same. So let me give one more layer. And when working in the corners of the boxes, just give circles, shading in circle motion so that it covers neat. Okay, now we feel this is a little bit darker than this. Let me give one more shade, one more layer. And now this is a little bit darker than this, right? We got the third shade. Now let us go for the fourth shading, sorry. First layer. This is second layer I'm giving. I'm saying again and again, just work on layers to get that dark tone. Don't do at a time. This is the second layer. And just check that I'm giving everything in one single direction. I'm not changing the direction of my shading. Check even that. Third layer. This is my fourth layer. Now we feel these both are same, or this is even a little bit less. Now giving fifth layer. Now giving again sixth layer. I want this to be a little bit darker than this, so I'm working on one more layer. One more layer. Like learning shading, we need to have lots and lots of patience. Okay, I want to give even more a little bit darker than this, so just working on one more time and giving one more layer. This is how it looks. It's a little bit darker than this, right? Now let us give the last layer. Just divide the box and start working. First layer. Second layer. Now I will give in third layer. This is fifth layer. Now giving again sixth layer. one more layer to make it even more dark. We can see that this is a little bit darker than this, but still I want to make it even more dark. See, every time I'm layering it or trying to make it dark, I'm using the same pressure. I'm not using more pressure, or I'm not applying more pressure. Now you can see a little bit of variation between here and here. So let us cover even that, going second time one more layer, adding only till here. And here also you can just make it circle so that you can cover all these points. Just try to shade it in circular motion. So let us make these lines proper. So this is how the shading looks. In dark tones 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have done 5 shades. We can keep on adding n number of shades on this and make this even more dark. But please remember that you are working only in one single direction with the same pressure. And I hope you liked this video, and if at all you liked it, please give a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you are watching for the first time, and click on the bell icon and click on the all options for many more videos, interesting videos, not only in this, in many more works, artworks or creative works. Thanks for watching, and happy drawing. Keep drawing and enjoy drawing. Bye bye, take care.